This is 1989, model number is A1989 and unable to power on. We replace the power BIOS. BIOS is backside. This is T2 BIOS, and now we process for DFU. We connect this to our main system, and now system will be restored. The DFU process is now starting. Now voltage is 5 volt and 63 amp. After DFU, it's after 1F 4 step, it's convert 19 volt and taken an 113 amp, 200 amp, 300 amp, 300, 350. When DFE process is complete, laptop is full on and display is coming. Laptop is on now and display also coming, and DFU post process pedal lock. When pedal lock is there, DFU mode is complete. 2 times restart.